Hey, actually, one thing that companies and contractors really respect is that attendance. I've said it 100 times. Most guys are going to take a C+ welder with an A+ attendance over the vice versa there any day of the week. Because if you've got less than a 90% attendance rate, I mean, at 90 it means you're missing every other Friday.
Right.
So again, KWI has a high standard. Actually, if you drop below 90% of KWI, we're tossing you. You're done. We're kicking you out. You're terminated. You're not even getting any refund back. So if that worries you, again, KWI is probably not the school for you. But if you're the type that comes, you pay good money to be here and you want to be here and you're going to work hard, then we've got some prizes in store for you.
Right, so KWI, again, wants to reward students, so we partner with Up and Smoke, Welding Apparel for a few things. The first one is something every student coming in has the option to purchase at any time they want. The shirt from Up and Smoke, FR, good quality material for that. Some red thread to go along with, so it's something you could purchase here through KWI. But if you want to earn that shirt, go through 6 months, finish your program with us, 0 tardies, 0 absent days, so perfect attendance, and you're going to earn the Up and Smoke shirt with the sleeves on the side of this.
Carbon fiber X.
Yeah, so this is an awesome item, but maybe you're into the thorax hoodie, which is what Bobby's wearing, so you get your choice. You're going to get the Novus shirt or the thorax hoodie as your prize for perfect attendance with KWI.
Yeah, we're a distributor for Mac and Up and Smoke, so you can get online and order any of this apparel. But again, free to you if you make it through our program with perfect attendance. You'll get to have your pick of this carbon fiber X sleeve shirt here or the hoodie I'm wearing right now. So.
All right, and you'll see a lot of your instructors wearing the Zestos and the KWI Up and Smoke. In the khaki color, or as a student, you can get the Zestos with the KWI Up and Smoke logo.
All right. So again, just like contractors, companies, KWI treat this just like a job. We are rewarding you for the types of things that companies are looking for, and one of those is attendance. Again, the number one reason that projects are delayed is because of absenteeism. You can't get hands to show up to work. So being that person that is dependable is going to get you hired early, laid off last, and called back. So that's a big thing, and we're looking to reward students that fall into that category.